You wake up, nothing feels real. You scroll, eat, watch, repeat, and somewhere between all of it, you stopped feeling anything. No excitement, no drive, no hunger, just emptiness. And the scary part? You don't even know when it started, but I do. And today, I'm going to tell you exactly what's happening to you and how to fix it. Step 1. Your brain has been hijacked. Every scroll, every notification, every video, every hit of cheap dopamine, it rewired you. Your brain used to get excited by real things. Sunrises, hard work, real conversations, progress. But now it's been trained to need constant stimulation just to feel normal. And when the stimulation stops, you feel nothing. That emptiness isn't weakness, it's withdrawal. Your brain is starving for something real. Step 2. You stopped doing hard things. Here's what nobody tells you. Meaning doesn't come from comfort. It never did. It comes from struggle, from pushing through resistance, from building something that costs you something. The moment you stopped doing hard things, you stopped feeling alive. Your brain needs challenge the way your lungs need air. Without it, everything goes gray. Step 3. You disconnected from yourself. You've been so busy consuming other people's lives, other people's opinions, other people's noise, that you forgot what you actually want, what you actually feel, who you actually are. That emptiness you feel, that's the distance between who you are and who you're pretending to be. Silence that noise. Sit with yourself. The answers are already there. Step 4. The way back is through discomfort. You don't think your way out of emptiness. You move your way out. Cold shower, hard run, deep work, real conversation. One hard thing per day. That's it. Each one sends a signal to your brain. I am alive. I am real. I am here. Do it consistently and watch the feeling come back slowly. Then all at once, you're not broken. You're just buried. And today is the day you start digging yourself out. Subscribe. The Warre Voidsel.